I just got bitten by an ant. See my foot? Oh, it's not as swollen as it was. It's quite bad. Okay. Come. Yeah, happy birthday, Shada.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Shada. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! It's actually for Fernando. Woo! Thank you.
Kind of
No,
weird.
I want to be forever liberated.
This is my...
I was filming that.
I want to be forever liberated and happy and find my life's purpose, which I know what it is. Get started on it. And maybe marry Gabriel. Maybe.
Serious things, man. Make a wish.
Ole! Oh no, it can't be. Yay! Thank you guys. Neither of them. Woohoo! Cut the cake! Is it banana cake?
Suji.
It would be easy for me to get a banana cake. I thought about it. I said, no, I'm going to make the effort and get a Cinderella cake.
Thanks, Mommy. I really appreciate it. And this birthday is about other people. How I can make them happy on my birthday. Because that's all I want. To make people happy.
Happy birthday, darling.
Thank you, Mom.
Love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you too. Happy birthday, motherfucker.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's my birthday.
Can I take a picture of you, Sean?
Huh? Me? I'm okay.
Ooh, Sean bought this for me.
Yes.
Wow, it looks so cool.
That's sweet, lah. Hope you
Oh, I
like
love Moscato. It's my favorite.
Really? Oh, yeah.
Okay. Selfie photo. I want it to be like that. Hold on. Am I balanced? I don't want to break this.
Okay, let's enjoy.
One. One.
Hold on. Wait.
It's untidy.
Oh.
Don't try it, Shada.
One, two, got you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're open, I share one of you.
Yeah. I don't know how to open this, man. Good word.
It's like champagne.
Don't
Oh,
use
don't do
your
that.
teeth.
You get that on film.
That? Yeah.
Don't use. Oh, so
Oh, okay. So this now.
Here's a glass.
Thank you. I bought for you first. Maybe it is one bottle, one glass.
Just one. A bit. That's done. Oh! Enough. Sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, let's toast to you.
Cheers to long
Happy
health,
birthday.
good life, and family
life.
connections. To life.
To your life, Shada.
To making people happy in the world a better
May
place.
you shine always.
Yeah.
Thanks for giving birth to me, Mom. To conceiving me at 12 years old.
Yes.
At least
Oh,
the
it's really
idea of
nice.
me. So, Gabriel, if you're watching this, you better know you're in big trouble.
Whoa.
Make that wish that you. Then the actual future husband watches this, he's like, who is Gabriel? Some guy is my soulmate.
Okay. Bye, Shala.
Bye.
Woo.